stop wasting your life. Yes, I'm talking to you. Right now, you're scrolling yet through another video, hoping for a momentary escape from reality. But let's face it, your life is slipping through your fingers and you're doing nothing about it. Let me ask you a tough question. If you died tomorrow, would anyone notice? Would you care? What have you done that truly matters? Do you ever feel like you're trapped in a never-ending cycle of mundane tasks? Wake up, go to a job that you dislike, come home exhausted, numb yourself with mindless entertainment, and repeat. Day after day, year after year. And for what? The hard truth is that many people live quiet lives of desperation, feeling insignificant. We're caught up in a system that doesn't prioritize our individuality, in a society that values conformity over creativity. Look around. We are attached to our devices, constantly seeking validation through likes, shares, while our real connections fades away. We are more connected than ever, yet we are never felt more alone. Our education system is criticized for focusing on producing more compliant workers rather than independent thinkers. You're taught to memorize and not question, to follow and not innovate. You're shaped to fit into a machine that does not value your unique contributions. You might think that you're safe because your job provides security. Think again. Automation and AI are advancing rapidly, and your role could change or become obsolete in 2025. Then what? Will you be ready to adapt, or will you struggle to find a place? Remember when you were a child, filled with wonder and curiosity, when every day was an adventure and the world was full of possibilities? What happened to that person? Life pressures and expectations might have overshadowed that spirit. Sometimes we accept things as they are, convincing ourselves that it's just how life goes. Deep down, though you might feel differently, your potential is vast, yet you might feel underused as you navigate your daily routines. You might be letting your fear holding you back, choosing comfort over growth. But maybe you care. Maybe you're not content with the status quo. If you are tired of feeling this way, keep listening. It's time to wake up and consider the changes that could lead to a more fulfilling life. But let's be clear, this won't be easy. This video is not me trying to sell you a course. It's not 30 days into getting It requires facing truths, making effort, and taking responsibility for your path. Do you have what it takes? Are you willing to step into the unknown, to challenge the status quo, to rediscover your purpose? First, you might need to rethink the path that's laid out for you. Consider taking control of your own learning. Pursue knowledge that empowers you and that is relevant. Accept harsh reality. Most people, including yourself, cannot accept the harsh realities. Look at those who forge their own paths. They didn't wait for permission. They embraced uncertainty, and in doing so, they found fulfillment. So, what can you do? Start by asking yourself, what do you truly want? Identify the skills you need to pursue that path. Limit your distractions that don't serve your goals. Challenge your beliefs. Seek out diverse perspectives and form your own opinions. based on thoughtful considerations. You might say yes,
but I don't have time.
we all have the same 24 hours. It's about priorities. Every day you delay is a day you cannot get back. Time moves forward and never backwards, and the opportunities can slip away while you hesitate. Imagine waking up with a purpose, excited about your day ahead, breaking free from the monotony, living a life aligned with your passions and values, making real impact, leaving a legacy that feels meaningful. This isn't a dream, this is within your reach. If you take action, the path won't be easy, but it is rewarding. You face the challenges and doubts, but overcoming them can make you stronger. So, what will it be? Will you continue down this path of least resistance, letting life happen to you? Or will you take control, shape your own destiny, and live a life of significance? The choice is yours. Remember, doing nothing is still a choice, one that might lead to regret. Stop underestimating your potential. Consider striving for more than what feels comfortable. The world benefits, you benefit when you pursue hard things. It's time to step up, break free, and become who you want to be. If you're ready to take the first step, then stay tuned. In the next part of this video, we will explore practical steps to help you on your journey. But if you're not ready, that's okay. If you're still here, let's continue. All right, now we're moving forward. Let's dive into how you can reclaim your life. Step 1, acknowledge the present. Recognize where you are and consider where you'd like to be. This requires honesty with yourself. Step 2, define your vision. What do you want your life to look like? Be specific. Clear goals lead to clear results. Step 3, identify the obstacles. That includes people around you. What is holding you back? Is it fear, lack of skills, negative influences? Understanding these roadblocks can help you address them. Remember that before action, awareness needs to happen. Without awareness, there is no action. Step 4, take action. Create a plan to take steps towards your goals. Don't waste your money trying to buy a diary or a fancy notebook. Don't wait till January 1st, 2025 to write your goals. Step 5, embrace growth. Growth often happens outside your comfort zone. Consider pushing your boundaries. Are your boundaries helping you grow, or are they killing your potential? Think about the individuals who faced setbacks but persisted. They didn't give up when things got tough. You might be thinking,
Oh, but I have limitations.
Everyone starts somewhere. The difference is taking steps forward towards where you want to go. Iterate as you go. If you look at the trajectory of life, it's never linear. It's always twisted. Sometimes this might mean going 5 steps backwards. Sometimes this might mean sucking at things that you thought you were good at. You have potential waiting to be realized. Believing in yourself is the key. No one cares about your dreams. The weight of this realization is on you. You cannot expect others to carry the burdens of your goals and dreams. At the best of situations, you might have a few people who listens to you complain. Remember, that itself is a blessing, and that should never be taken for granted. Imagine looking back someday, proud of the journey you have taken Don't let this moment pass by. Consider making a decision to change. Your life is in your hands. What will you do with it? Thank you for watching. I hope you get some insight and value from this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. In the next video, I'm going to go deeper into solutions. Don't worry, I'm not going to sell you any courses. This channel is created to impact people.